Welcome to Songkran.
Yeah, 2025, hey?
Cambodian version.
Yeah, I've got a dinosaur on mine.
Yeah, it's really lame. It's so small. So I was like, I don't care about the size of it. But...
No, I think it's really cute. But yeah, so it's Thai New Year, but then it comes over to Cambodia and Vietnam and other places. So it's a festival that started as like you the premise of it is like you throw water over Buddha and elderly relatives. It's like a whole thing around like cleanse and start the new year and stuff. But it's basically just turned into this massive water fight, right?
Much, yeah.
So 3 days starts today. We are gonna like walk and have some
cleanse people.
Yeah, water fights and stuff. Dan's like in his element. I'm quite nervous, but yeah, it should be fun. Like, what's the worst that's gonna happen?
Exactly. We'll take you for the ride.
Yeah.
Let's go. Gotta go for it.
Right. Started with a bang, hey? Oh my god.
It's not fair that they're allowed. It's not fair that they're allowed hose pipes, is it? Are they? Are you alright?
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh my god, that started with a bang.
You couldn't really breathe, could you?
No.
Oh. Watch out. Oh, that's cold. What, in the middle of December?
No,
the end of
that's
December.
what I mean, like do it
in a house.
No, like change the new year to
31st
summer.
of July?
Yeah.
Very rowdy down here.
Summarise your experience so far.
Loud, wet and friendly. Yeah, the kids love it, don't they? The cuties, the little kids really get involved. But it's good. It's the cold water that gets you by surprise. I need to fill this one up with cold water.
So we have stopped for our first beer and we're now down Pub Street and it's so much fun, isn't it?
My gun's broke already. I want a little gun.
Which he was taking the piss out of earlier.
Refill.
I tell you what, when cold water gets you, actually, hold on. When cold water gets you, it's so cold, like so cold. Are you ready?
Ready for the, yeah. Here we go.
Oh, it's so cold, so cold.
It's a bit busy now, isn't it?
Yeah.
one for the last one. The two guns that are broken. Yeah.
Day one done, mate.
Yes. Yeah, very interesting. So good. So much fun. So many people out. Okay.